Well, we pulled the brake drum off of the driver's side of this thing, and she's pretty crispy inside. The drum doesn't really look that bad, of course with the low miles on it. So I'm gonna need to try to get the number off of this bearing so that I can order it. It looks like a bunch of spiders have taken up residence, so that's fine. We'll fix that with some brake clean. My big question is whether the wheel cylinders have actually dried up. I would say so. It's just falling apart. Sure. That's normal. Sure. But we'll get this all cleaned up so I can take these parts down to the parts store and try to match them up. And get some brakes back on this old girl. Anyway, if you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.